So what is a blockchain? Blockchain provides you a single source of truth that's permanent, verifiable, and unchangeable. Did you understand? Let's look at a definition what blockchain is. A blockchain is a constantly growing ledger that keeps a permanent record of all the transactions that have taken place in a secure, chronological, and immutable way. Let's take a look at that definition and break it down into its individual components. For a basic understanding, take a blockchain as a ledger that is constantly growing and that keeps a permanent record of all the transactions that have ever taken place on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin blockchain is a public blockchain, and you can see every single transaction that's ever taken place. In fact, what you're seeing here as this first Bitcoin transaction is a transaction that actually has a message inside. That message was placed there by Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin. And that message actually matches the cover of the Times for that day. The message says, "Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." And it clearly states that the date is January 3rd, 2009, which was the day that the first block was ever created on the Bitcoin blockchain. That information is kept in a very secure manner because there's thousands of copies of that same blockchain all around the world. That is, there's not just one blockchain that you can hack and destroy. It's actually distributed and there are thousands of copies all around the world for it. Furthermore, that information is preserved using highly advanced cryptography. All the information that's captured in that blockchain is captured in a chronological manner. That means that every block that gets added to the Bitcoin blockchain is added as a new block and chronologically ordered. Whenever a new block is added, the total number of blocks increases. Finally, all the information that's recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain is immutable. That is, nobody can change it once it's actually recorded inside. See one example of the transaction that is recorded on block number, and you can see the transaction.